my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a fall Vellabox. Hi there, I'm so excited. You guys know I love candles. You know I love candles. And I love that I have finally found a candle subscription box. Now this is kindly sent to me for review. I reached out to them a couple of boxes ago because you guys had been asking me about candle subscription boxes. And so we found this one. Now these are clean burning candles. You will get a different artisan every month. So, you know when you go to the craft fair in the fall and they have candle makers there and there's beautiful candles and you love to smell them, you just can't decide. Well, this way it's decided for you and they send you the appropriate candle for the season. Now, there are 3 subscriptions you can choose from. So they start at $10 a month. I'm pulling it up here, so I'm sure to give you the exact amount. All right, you can give this as a gift. That's something that I really like. So you can set it up as a gift subscription, and I like that. I really appreciate that. Okay, so this is It's For Me. All right, so the most popular is $10 a month, and it is the Lucerna box. I'm gonna pop a graphic up here on the screen so you can see as I'm talking. You get 1 4-ounce candle a month, and it burns for about 25 hours, and they burn nice and even. You know, they're soy wax blend candles, they're clean burning candles, and so they burn a little longer, a little slower, and I really appreciate that. Even the little one, the little 4-ounce one, I put in my kitchen. I can smell it through my whole room, and I love that. So you'll also get a surprise gift, and there is $3 shipping and handling. Then the next most popular is the 1 8-ounce candle monthly. It's about 50 hours burn time and a surprise gift. So that is $20 a month plus $3 shipping. So that's fantastic. And then this one is the Vivere box, which is 1 4-ounce and 1 8-ounce. So it's about 75 hours of burn time. And this one has free shipping, and it is $30 a month. So that's what's in here. Now, they pick a different artisan every month. So, you know, if you find one that you fall in love with, hop on over to their website, hop in the shop, and then you can look around. So let's go real quick. Yeah, here is the gift option. It's the same thing, the different gift options. You're just able to give it as a gift. So it's just really, really nice. It's a great hostess gift. You know, say you come in to visit a friend, you're gonna stay at their house for a little while, a parting gift, you know, you can send them this little subscription. Although you might put a note and say, I'm not hinting at anything. Whatever. Okay, so here is the box. It does come in an outer carton. And then in here, oh, I opened it up. Oh, these are so pretty on the front here, this little postcard type thing. I do pull those off. I pulled it off last month. There are 2 times of year, autumn and waiting for autumn. Indeed. Oh, I'm already smelling these. Okay, so our special treat this month are 2 little Ghirardelli chocolates. This one is the minis in dark chocolate caramel, or excuse me, milk chocolate caramel. Yes, please. Delicious little treat. Appreciate that. And then in the box is also a card that lets you know about each of the candles. Look at the bags this month. Are those not the cutest? You can either use those when you travel, or you can re-gift them or keep them for yourself to store things in. Okay, so the little sweet treat is Ghirardelli dark and milk chocolate with caramel. The local San Leandro, California, Ghirardelli.com. The scoop. So it tells you a little bit about each thing, even the chocolates. Enjoy the delightful combination of caramel and chocolate from one of America's favorite chocolate makers. Indeed. Alrighty, so let's start with this one, the little 4-ounce candle this month. Oh, it's in a tin. Oh, I love that. I loved it. So Untamed Supply is the name of this candle company. It's from Kansas City, Kansas. Let's see the scoop. Untamed Supply is passionate about bringing the natural sense of the wild outdoors inside and donates 3% of profits to the national parks. Handcrafted products with simple, clean ingredients. Excellent, excellent. Okay, and this one is in the scent. Fragrance notes of hickory, smoke, clove, and fir. The scoop. The scent perfectly replicates smoldering embers with a fallen morsel of marshmallow that fell into the campfire. It's smoky, woody, and holds just a hint of sweetness. literally, that is amazing. Even the coloring, if you can see, my light may be washing out. Around the edges is a darkness, almost like a toasted marshmallow. Absolutely. This, you know what you want to do with this? You want to put this on your fireplace when you have an electric fireplace like I do that produces no scent whatsoever. Put this on your fireplace and you will have your fireplace scent in a candle. I absolutely get those scents. I do get the smoky woodiness, a slight sweetness. I love this. I don't normally like smoky scents, but this isn't smoky like you're smoking a brisket. This is smoky like a freshly lit cedar campfire. Like you would have coming out of your fireplace. That's excellent. You guys, sorry, you guys, that I'm going to love. I am going to love that. Perfect for the fall. Perfect for the fall. Okay, let's see what the next one is. Let's see how it's packaged. Ooh, okay, in a beautiful glass. This one is, please recycle. Yes, always. Untamed supply. So this one is the Hay Rides. Favorite fragrance notes of apple, spiced orange, and cinnamon. I'm gonna love this. Hitch up the hay wagon for a fall adventure with a mug full of fresh pressed cider. Pairs perfectly with falling temperatures and foliage. Oh my goodness. It's not overly sweet, it's just enough. It's a fresh fall. Okay, so you know the Bath & Body Works falling leaves, or leaves or whatever the candle, I know everybody loves that, but it's very overwhelming for me. This one is that, but soft. Clean. Definitely smell the apple. And it's a sharper apple, it's more like a spiced apple, like cider. This is going to be unbelievable. And they give back to national parks. I couldn't be happier about that. Wonderful. Okay, so this is, yeah, 100% soy candle. So there we go, burning clean. Oh, you guys, you have got to run to Vellabox. Run to Vellabox, okay? All right, so you can use the code FAVOR for $5 off your first box. So depending upon whatever box you get, that basically covers, well, if you get this one, it's $5 off. So it's $25 for both of them, or it covers your shipping and a couple of bucks off the first month. Just go try it out. I absolutely love this. I'm so pleased that she sent this to me. She doesn't have to do that. And is she gonna send it to me again? I don't know. Is this one I would take out on my own? For sure, for sure. Oh, I can't. I love it. I'm so ready to see what like the spring scents are gonna be. I know they're gonna be amazing, just amazing. So there you go. I do have to tell you, these candles I can burn in my house and they don't irritate my children's allergies. I can't say that about all of the candles that I pick up or burn from various places. When they come in, these are the candles I light because it doesn't irritate them. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the essential oils, that kind of thing. It just doesn't irritate their noses and they don't sneeze and get itchy, watery eyes. Even my middle son will actually break out in a rash. So I have to be really careful about the candles I use. So I can tell you his fiance, which I always call my daughter-in-law because she's going to be. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. I'm so happy about that. I think I'm gonna give her a subscription to this for Christmas. I think that would be nice. She loves candles. She likes the little ones, so I'll probably give her this one every month, and I think she'll like that. Yeah. All right, you guys, Christmas is coming. Nice gift option. $5 off your first box. Save money on that gift. All right, you guys, I appreciate you watching so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stick around if you do. I hope you'll subscribe. We do all sorts of videos here, from travel vlogs, cruise vlogs, weekly vlogs, lifestyle, cooking, subscription boxes. It's a little bit of everything here. Just a little bit all about life with Favor. All right, you guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.